Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of this beast right here. The Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra is in my hands, the newest rugged tablet from Ulefone. By the way, Ulefone is the biggest partner here on the channel. I want to publicly thank them because they always send all the new releases here firsthand so I can show them to you. So my eternal gratitude and respect to Ulefone, a truly genuine partner company. And for anyone interested in buying this little guy, my brother will tell you what a tough and top-notch tablet this is. I'll leave the link for you here in the description to Ulefone's official store, both on their website and also their store on AliExpress. And any other links available for you to buy it directly in Brazil, I'll leave here in the description or they'll show up here on the screen, alright? Before I unbox and show the product, please leave a like, it really helps. Check if you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like and share as well, alright? Now let's get to our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of another release from Ulefone. It's a real beast, the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra. Let's get to the video, let's go. Starting the unboxing, it's a standard box from Ulefone's Armor line. Of course, it's much bigger in size, right? Here we have the device model highlighted, the Ulefone logo, and its certifications. Also, on the side label, the model and product version. And when we open the box, we're immediately greeted by the tablet. And right below it, we have the quick start manual, a Torx wrench so you can attach its stand, a small bag with a pick, and some spare screws. A very sturdy yellow cable, USB Type-C on both ends for charging and data transfer, and to finish, an impressive 120-watt power charger. And they also include, as you can see here, a metal stand so you can set the tablet at any angle you want, especially when you're projecting the image. That's really good, man. It's excellent. Now, with the tablet in hand and fully set up, we have an 11-inch in-plane switching liquid crystal display screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a maximum brightness of 600 nits. I have to admit, it's kind of bulky to carry around. It weighs 1.6 kg and is 2.78 cm thick. The whole construction is made of hard rubber and metal. It's extremely tough, man, really over the top. On the back, besides the cameras, we have two LEDs, which are its flashlight, and it's really bright. Look at this, it's insane. With it turned on here, man, it lights up a lot and really far. And for sure, a slap is too gentle for this guy here. He deserves a good punch on the back. On the right side, we have the sound output, a little tray for 2 nano SIM cards, yes, 5G, and 1 more micro-secure digital altogether. P2 connection, 3mm USB Type-C port, power button with fingerprint reader and volume up and down. On the top, there's a dedicated button to start the projector, and next to it, another dedicated button to turn on the flashlight. We also have the noise-canceling microphone, the projector's autofocus sensor, a fan, and the projector's image output lens. On the left side, there's another fan and a sound output, and on the bottom, there's a microphone, noise reducer, and a connection for external accessories. And to start here, let's talk about artificial intelligence, since this tablet only comes with Gemini, which is already factory installed on it. You can also do some photo editing through it using this app, or the Google Photos app, which also comes pre-installed on the device, and you can also do some more basic edits. It works well. For example, if you want to remove an object or a person, it will work well for you. Now, for more advanced features, you'll need to use an external artificial intelligence. Really, just look at this image, for example. Rodrigo, did you take that key that was on the table? No, I've never seen any key. It works well. It erases objects really well. We have some very unique apps already pre-installed on this tablet. The first one is the Toolbox with several measuring instruments that will really help you in your work. There's also the flashlight app, which only turns on the flash LED, and there's another app also for LED flashlights where you can control the color and intensity. There's another one where you can turn the tablet into a rotating beacon, even with sounds like sirens. Man, that's really cool. You can also turn the cooler on and off manually if you want. And finally, there's even a frequency modulation radio app so you can listen to your favorite station while you get things ready, just chilling next to your tablet. And now about the battery, we have a really small, honestly ridiculous battery, just 24,200 mAh. The performance is really bad. It should last about 10 days without needing to charge. It's ridiculous. Now seriously, man, forget about the battery. When it's on standby, this device here, with it 100% charged and just sitting there without you using it, it can last 1,662 hours, man, with it turned on, which is equal to 70 days of battery life. Or if you want to leave it playing a video non-stop here, it'll give you 109 hours, man, which is equivalent to about 4.5 days. Playing videos directly on the tablet without draining the battery, and even with all that battery, if you need to charge the tablet, it goes from 0% to 20% in 10 minutes thanks to the 120-watt charger. That's insane, man. They did a great job. Now let's move on to the processor test. MediaTek Dimensity 7400X4 nanometers, scoring 750,000 points on Antutu. A very good score, heating up to only 25 degrees and losing just 1% of battery. Its performance result is very similar to the result of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, which is a top device from Redmi, right? Yeah, but it's more similar. And of course, this guy here heats up way less and loses much less battery too. It's really awesome, man. Now let's run some footage of gaming with it. You guys are seeing Asphalt Legends here. I set everything to 60 FPS. It runs super smooth, very fluid, no stress, no headaches. It's running really well, very smoothly. For its purpose, which is to be a work tablet, it has a processor here with plenty of power to spare, okay? It's going to serve you really well for all your daily tasks without letting you down. Check out its certifications: IP68, IP69K, and military certification standard 810H. It can withstand high-pressure water jets, submersion up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes, and drops from up to 1.5 meters high. Do you have any idea what it's like for a brick like this, weighing 1.6 kilo, to fall from a height of 1.5 meters? The force it will create, the pressure it will make when hitting the ground, and it doesn't get damaged. It can handle it. It's drop resistant. Man, a really fantastic certification for this tablet. The operating system is really good. We have pure Android 15 running on the device. It has near-field communication connection on the back, both fingerprint and facial unlocking, both working really well. And there's only one version of it, 12 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage. Guys, let's test the projector. I'll take it outside and record some footage for you to see here. Seeing it in practice, seeing it in action, okay, but it has 200 lumens and it has autofocus, man. It's unreal. And it also has automatic keystone correction, which is the angle, man. Honestly, I've never seen that on a tablet before, okay? And there are a lot of big projectors out there, right? Famous, well-known brands that don't offer this autofocus and automatic keystone correction. Man, this is a spec you usually see on tablets that cost over 2,000 Rs, okay? It already includes this and has great image quality. Let's go outside and I'll show you now. Alright guys, we're here with the Ulefone ArmorPad 5 Ultra so we can show off its projector on this wall right here, okay? I'm going to turn off the light first so we can get a more concrete, more realistic idea. Let me close this here. I'm going to turn on the projector and set it on the table, all right? It's searching here to do the autofocus. Look at the size of this screen, man. Let me do it again here. Then it will do the autofocus and also the keystone correction. Look, it found the focus. That's awesome. And now here. We look for it. Let's open YouTube here. I already left it open, so let's play the video. And guys, check out this audio. Look at the awesome image it produces. And it's audio too. Isn't it awesome? I'm at a distance. Here, let's say about 3 meters from the projector to the wall. And here everything is uneven too. Okay, nothing is aligned or leveled. Everything is out of square here. But it does the job of projecting onto the wall and avoiding the table here, right? So there's no image on the table. Look at the size of the screen. Look, the quality of this image is bigger than me, with my arms open here. And here, it's height as well. Look at the quality of this image that's being displayed. And its audio is really loud too, man. So you can definitely throw a party with this. Put on a movie for everyone to watch. Look at these colors, man. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful, look. And with a very good audio quality. Besides the screen, also the image, right? That's being projected there. Keep in mind, this is just a wall, not an actual screen. It's not even that real screen where you have to put a white background, right? To be able to display the image is just a white wall, okay? And at night here, but the image has excellent quality and the audio is also spectacular, really good. I don't even know if I'm showing up. It's all dark there, right? I'll come back here, but that's it. Look, so you can see it here together. Image quality and the audio as well, since I'm far from the tablet and I'm picking it up here. The audio that's coming out is from its own speaker over there. Very good. The image is really beautiful, top quality. The projector is really good. Leophone did a great job. So guys, did you see how amazing it is? Look how awesome. The image it projects on the wall is really awesome. The quality is really good, honestly. It can project an image up to 80 inches at a maximum distance of 2.20 meters. Just imagine, after working hard all day under the scorching sun, you come home and sit on your couch at the end of the day right next to your wife. Turn on the projector, put on that Netflix movie. Now tell me if that's going to be a hit or not. Come on, that's definitely going to be a big hit. Now let's go to the audio and video test. Come on guys, audio and video test now. Now from the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra Advanced Quality 2160p IP. Let's turn the brightness all the way up and now the volume all the way up too. Guys, it's really loud. It's really loud.
I like you. I can't wait for my first time, my first day. You're so cool. You're so cool.
He comes out here and here. It's very tall.
It's very tall.
Audio and image are really good. The screen looks nice, but honestly, it could use a bit more brightness. This, on a construction site, under the sun, shining right on it, you might have a bit of trouble seeing everything on the screen. There, you'll have to move it a bit, try to find some shade so you can see everything in detail. Now, when it comes to audio, forget about it. The audio is amazing, really. There are 2 speakers, one on each side, with 3 watts of power. The sound is very loud, with great quality too. It can reach up to 102 decibels. The audio is really good. And now let's talk about the cameras here. On the front, we have a 32 megapixel camera recording in full high definition 1080p at 30 FPS. I'll show you some indoor footage since these cameras are limited. You can't use them for vlogs or carry them around. They're just too heavy. So, it's more for you to have in case of an emergency, right? When you need to quickly take some photos or videos. But anyway, let's go. I'll show you now some photos and videos taken with its front camera. And now here is the front camera, guys, of the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra recording at 1080p 30 FPS. Look, I'm holding it with just one hand, but I can only do that for a few seconds. Any longer than that, it gets really heavy, so you have to use both hands. Here, just giving you a quick spin with the front camera, showing my studio, which is small, compact, but anyway, well organized. Over there is the front camera and the table camera, a small softbox, the ceiling light, my air conditioner, which we've had for a short time, and that's it. Front camera here, guys, just so you can get a sense of its quality. It's the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra. That's it, guys. Like I said, nothing exceptional. A camera for you to make a video call, a teleconference and such using the front camera will work just fine for you. Take some quick photos, nothing too fancy. Now, on the back, there are 2 64 megapixel cameras, one main and one night camera. It comes with an infrared sensor, so you can record in complete darkness, all in 4K at 30 FPS. Now that's a whole different level of camera. Let's go. I'll show you some indoor shots here as well, with photos and videos taken with its rear cameras. We're here, guys, recording in 4K with the rear camera of the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra 4K at 30 FPS. Inside my studio here, you can see that the image, at least for me, has a bit of lag as if it were recording in 4K at 15, right? FPS, something like that. Let's zoom in here. The maximum zoom is 4x in 4K. Okay, look. Coming back here now. It's a really heavy tablet, you know, to hold it in your hand, walk around and record. It's pretty complicated, but here it is for you. Here's my editing and operating desk, and here's my recording desk where I stay. Look, the front camera and this other camera here is the one that records the desk, but here you have the quality from the rear camera of the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra. That's it. Guys, now the rear camera here, night mode. I even bumped into the... on this little reflector. Look, I can't see anything. It's completely dark in here. It's pitch black. Here's my desk. Over there, the microphone, the monitor, another light, the camera that records the desk. Look, it managed to focus in the dark, in the pitch black. I bumped into this little reflector again, bumped into it again. Man, I can't see absolutely anything, not even half a centimeter in front of me, okay? And it manages to capture all of this. It's really cool. It's awesome, man. Really great. Rear camera here, recording in night mode for you guys. Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra is the dog barking outside. Very good. Wonderful, guys. Pretty nice results. For a tablet, okay, you can get really good images, nice resolution, 4K on the rear for video, also stabilizing. It looks really cool. I'll repeat, this isn't the camera for everyday use or casual photos and videos. It's hard to carry, hold, and keep steady. It's really heavy. But anyway, for a specific need, it will serve you really well. The rear cameras are indeed very good, and the highlight is definitely the night camera. You can record everything in complete darkness, see exactly everything that's there without a single bit of light. Man, it's really very good. And now let's go to the final summary with positive and negative points. In my opinion, positive points. I couldn't start any other way, of course. The battery is a monster. It lasts forever. Its processor is really good too for a tablet. It's excellent. 120 watt fast charging. It's insane. Its projector, which I really like, the image is very good, excellent quality. Man, I never expected to see this from a tablet. A little fan to cool the tablet, to keep it from overheating. You can actually see it. It's a pretty big fan, really strong, really powerful too. Very good. Its stereo sound is also insanely good quality, really loud sound. The device's certifications are also amazing. The device is super durable, even with all this technology built into it. It has near-field communication, dual nano SIM card, and 5G, guys. Dual nano SIM, no, it's not just one, it's two nano SIM cards and 5G. It also supports memory expansion, which is great. As for the negatives, in my opinion, as I mentioned in the video, the screen brightness is quite low and could be higher. Also, the cameras especially need improvement. The front camera is pretty basic, very simple, but the rear camera actually gives you a decent result, including really good night photos. But anyway, comment down below what you think about this beast, this brute here, the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra. Before you leave, don't forget to leave your like. If you haven't already, check your subscription to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with everyone. Alright, we're in this together, guys. Thank you all so much. God bless you. A big hug and see you next time. Thanks, I'm out.